Professional Cleaning Service, Catherine Field, New South Wales. This family business is a registered NDIS provider, which offers many benefits to a new owner-operator. With service agreements already in place, you have the peace of mind of knowing you have regular work. Established by the owner in 2009, services also include domestic, commercial and aged care cleaning, plus end-of-lease cleans. With low overheads, regular clients and home office tax benefits, this mobile business is very profitable for an owner-operator. Servicing the Sydney region, this business has an amazing reputation and is marketed for free through the NDIS database. The current owner can see the huge growth potential but is unable to continue due to health and life situations.